At this point in the chart, would you buy, sell, or wait? To better understand the chart situation, let's draw a trend line. We draw the support and resistance zones by connecting the price highs and lows. Here we have a false breakout, and the price has reversed. After re-entering the channel, it pulled back to the same level and broke its previous high. We open a long trade. The target is below the resistance line ceiling. We place the stop below the last price low. As you can see, the price went up to below the resistance ceiling. Congratulations, you can see that you were able to make a profit from the market using this method.